This is why you need to check your tires regularly. I got my money's worth. That's dangerous. That's dangerous, really. Wow. Jeez.
Yeah, so I ain't gonna lie, YouTube. That was pretty stupid on my part, and frankly, extremely unsafe and dangerous to let my tire get in that bad of shape. The dealer had told me on the service just about a week or two before. I went in to get new fork seals put in. I went to get new front brake pads put in. I had the coolant changed on the bike, as I was not sure if it had ever been done. My bike's got a little over 57,000 miles on it. So I thought, you know what, while we're in there, let's just do it. And my best change out I did was I added and changed to Racetech springs in the front. And man, let me tell you what, the bike feels like a new machine with these Racetech springs. But the dealer had warned me. He said, Mike, you really need a new rear tire. And I said, no, I think I got about another 1,500 miles left in it. I caught myself checking it. And the day before I did a ride, I cleaned the rear tire, so that's a good time. I inspected it. I knew it was wearing down, but I thought, I think I got at least 1,000, 1,500 miles left. I was wrong. I went and did a ride that day. It was only about 200, 225 miles. We rode hard. It was a hot day. Rode a lot of curves, rode a lot of twists. And when I got back and inspected it the next morning, happened to see it, wow, I saw that. And that is not good. In fact, I probably should have trailered it to the dealer and not rode it. But, so I said, you know what? Put me a new E4 on it. Let's get back in the game. And let me just tell you, YouTube, to say all that, the moral of this is keep a check on your maintenance, on your tires. We only have 2 tires, not 4, only 2. So we can't afford a mess up. You know, if I'd have went around a curve and that tire would have shot and blew, it could have been a real bad day for me and my wife. A real bad day. And I don't want a bad day like that. So I show you all this, just to kind of be open with you. And hopefully somebody else can learn. Don't push it, okay? Don't try to save you a few bucks by pushing your tires, okay? Spend the money. Make sure you got good tread. Make sure you got good life. I really do like my Dunlop E4s. I know there's 100 different opinions on what's the best tire out there. But man, that sides were wore down. Memphis Mike don't like riding straight roads. You can see on this tire. I love the curves. I love the twist. But, woo, mercy.
I was living on a prayer.
So keep a check on your tires, guy. Keep a check on your maintenance.
Gotcha.
You don't want to be that guy that goes down because he tried to save a few bucks and buy a little time, all right? I appreciate you watching. This is all I got for you. This is Memphis Mike's. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button as well. And I appreciate you so much supporting the channel. I will see you later.